Sige, you tell them what is that?
It's a chocolate.
It's Dubai
It's Dubai.
chocolate milk. Show it.
Chocolate milk.
Yeah, show it. So,
Wow.
hello guys.
Hello guys.
We will open it.
I open
Here,
it.
you show it.
Open it. And
Show it.
oh. Is that cookie?
Bear will help you. Hindi siya pa-help, guys.
Hindi lang ako. No, no, no.
Wow! This is how you open, oh? It's okay.
Gutom na Jiko.
Go, 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 go. We will taste it. Taste it. This is how you do it. Wow! Wow! This is for Jabel, Kuya Jabel, Yuna, Jacob, Mommy. Daddy has no share. Ay, mag-share me ni Daddy because Daddy has diabetic. Okay, one and Lola. We will share together. Lola, Daddy, and me. 1, 2, 3. Wow! Here, Kuya. Wow!
Open it, Mama. Guys. Yummy.
It's milk, not dark. Kahit kayo na frozen din. What kuan man Kuya ang sarap?
9 out of 10. 9 out of 10. Ano, kay wala na kuha ng sauce. Naman sauce.
Tamis siya. Pero, let me check it. I mean, crunchy siya. So, yan, 360 pesos. Okay lang. From 1 to 10, 8. Tamis lang siya sa mga sweet flavor ni.
Because it's sweet.
Ang yang tunga.
Tunga.
What? Yummy, yun na?
Yeah. Can you open that, Mom?
Here. Kuya, unsa yung lamig, Kuya?
Naman siya, sato with milk. Dubai chocolate. 9 out of 10.
Ano natin? Crunchy siya. Ano siya? Ano siya?
And when I eat that one morning,
Ano siya na ibalas?
balat.
Okay, thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, guys.